The presentation is minimalistic and functional, aligning with Xiaomi's broader design language. The battery arrives housed in a rigid, transparent plastic case that prioritizes protection over aesthetics. This is not retail theatrics. It is practical packaging meant to survive transport in backpacks or gear kits. Documentation is limited to safety and compliance markings printed directly on the battery housing, reinforcing a utilitarian approach. It uses a lithium-ion polymer architecture, which offers advantages in weight reduction and form factor flexibility compared to cylindrical cells. The outer shell is robust, with a matte finish that resists fingerprints and minor abrasions. The battery includes clear polarity markings and well-defined contact terminals, reducing the risk of incorrect insertion. Regulatory markings such as CE and recycling symbols are present, along with detailed specifications including a nominal voltage of 3.8 volts and a limited charge voltage of 4.35 volts. These parameters indicate a modern, high-density cell optimized for both capacity and longevity. From a usability standpoint, this battery integrates seamlessly into the Mijia action camera. The insertion mechanism is precise, with no play or looseness once seated. Contact pins align cleanly, ensuring consistent power delivery without intermittent disconnects, a critical factor during high-motion recording scenarios. In operation, it performs predictably. It sustains approximately 2 hours of 4K 30 frames per second recording under standard conditions, aligning with Xiaomi's official claims. Thermal behavior is stable, with no noticeable overheating even during extended recording sessions. This Xiaomi Mijia battery is a technically sound, reliability-focused battery designed to meet the real demands of action camera users. It does not attempt to innovate beyond its category, but it executes its role with precision. Stable output, predictable runtime, solid build quality, and seamless device integration make it an essential companion rather than an optional accessory. For users operating within the Mijia ecosystem, this battery is less about extending usage and more about ensuring uninterrupted capture. It delivers exactly what a field-ready power module should: consistency, portability, and operational confidence.